Hey loves! Today I'm back with another video and I'm partnered with Court Furniture Outlet. Court Furniture Outlet provides services and solutions for individuals facing life's transitions. And what bigger transition than going from a rental apartment to now owning a house? I remember getting the keys to my house like it was yesterday, and it's been 5 years. Now, for those of you who are first-time home buyers, I wanted to just give you some of my advice and suggestions and things that have really worked for me in order to make my house feel like a home. Growing up, I remember my family having pieces that were stylish, but honey, they weren't comfortable. And so I never want you to sacrifice comfort for style. At Court Furniture Outlet, they have really good pieces there that were spacious, like a sectional, stylish, fitting anyone's aesthetic, and most importantly, comfortable. I'm thinking about all of my family movie nights. With me, my husband, and the kids, we want a nice, comfy environment where we can sit down and relax and not feel like, oh, after a few hours, everyone's uncomfortable sitting in the sofa, right? Now, my next tip on how to make a house a home would have to be make sure you have a dining room table. Even though we can't do it every single night, there's nothing better than just being able to sit at a dining room table with your family and with your friends. At Court Furniture Outlet, they had various dining room table options. They had more traditional and they also had more modern. The round, more modern 5-piece set, I adored. My last tip would be style. Court Furniture Outlet had pieces to match any style and personality that you wanted to bring in your home. Check out this purple couch. How cute is this? And you know what? It was so comfortable, I even laid down for a nap. Adding color to your home as well as modern pieces or eclectic pieces is a great way to implement your own personality into your home. And of course, that's what makes your house your home. We're blending comfort with family and creating spaces for quality time, but also not skimping on style or color that fits your personality. With that being said, I want you to answer for me in the comments below. What would you consider your furniture style? And for all of you veteran homeowners, share any more advice that you can give to all of our new homeowners about how to make their house a home. If you love this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I love you for watching. Bye.